The national capital has been enveloped in a thick layer of smog over the last couple of weeks, now especially with the onset of the winter season, as the air quality in the city remains in the very poor category. The AQI has risen to 340. Now, for the past few weeks, Delhi has been grappling with extremely high levels of air pollution, posing significant health risks to residents. Meanwhile, Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai has recently emphasized the need for collaborative action from neighboring states in order to tackle the pollution crisis. Before I go across to a host of my colleagues who are joining me live, I in fact have some of the statistics, real-time data with regards to the air quality index open on my screen over here. If you can show that to our viewers before I go across to my colleagues. This right here is a map of Delhi that showcases the AQI index in ITI Jahangirpuri. The AQI is currently at 340, that is hazardous. At the Mother Dairy plant in Patparganj, the AQI has been reported as 242. In Anand Vihar, that is known to be a site where the AQI is usually very high. The AQI has been reported at 302, that is hazardous. In the Delhi Institute of Tool Engineering in Wazirabad, the AQI is 316. At the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, the AQI is reported at 257. In the PGDAV college in Srinivaspuri, the AQI is reported to be as high as 403. Meanwhile, some other areas in ITI Shavra, the Jilmil industrial area, the AQI is reported at 298. In Pusa, the AQI is 290, and in the Mandar Marg, it is 195. Meanwhile, in neighboring Vasundhara in Ghaziabad, the AQI is 233. In Sector 62 in Noida, it is 198. Meanwhile, in Sri Aurobindo Marg in the national capital, it is 178. In Dwarka's National Institute of Malaria Research, it is 232, and in RK Puram, it is 294. These are of course some of the statistics that we've been tracking this morning. As I said earlier, I have with me my colleagues that are reporting from various spots in the national capital. Arzu is live with us from the IGI airport, Mehendi is live with us from Mukherjee Nagar, and Gohit Kaushik is live with us from Gurugram. First up, I'd like to go across to Mehendi, who's with us from Mukherjee Nagar. Mehendi, what are the scenes like this morning? The AQI is still pretty high at 340. Could you show our viewers around, take our viewers through what exactly the people of Mukherjee Nagar are also feeling at this point?
Well, yes, Pia, the situation is still hazardous and alarming in Delhi NCR, and right now we are in the Mukherjee Nagar area, and here it is famous for the students who comes here for UPSC preparations and everything. So here are some of the people who are right now having their breakfasts, but we'll try to understand that what is the situation regarding the Delhi pollution, the air pollution right now in Delhi NCR, and what all problems they are facing as of now. So you can see that a lot of people are going here and there, and we'll try to talk to them and also go to them and understand what is the situation exactly regarding the air pollution, because right now the air quality index is observed to be more than 350 right now, which comes under very poor quality. सर, लगातार जो प्रदूषण है दिल्ली एनसीआर में वो बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो क्या कुछ स्वास्थ्य संबंधित हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज कुछ होते हैं या क्या कुछ दिक्कतें होती हैं?
थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत तो होती है, गले में थोड़ा सा वो होता है, खराश टाइप का होता है, निकलते हैं तो बाहर रूम में अच्छा फील करते हैं, बाकी बाहर तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा ही होता है।
आप दिल्ली के ही रहने वाले हैं?
नहीं, हम तो यहाँ ऐसे ही रहते हैं, बाहर से, राजस्थान से।
तो आप राजस्थान से और दिल्ली में अगर कंपैरिजन किया जाए एयर क्वालिटी को लेकर या पोल्यूशन को लेकर, तो कितना कुछ फ़र्क महसूस होता है?
वहाँ तो बिल्कुल साफ़ रहता है, यहाँ तो धुंध छाया रहता है रात को, ऐसे तो वहाँ नहीं होता ये सब।
वहाँ नहीं होता। सर, आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
मैं भी राजस्थान का रहने वाला हूँ।
राजस्थान से है। तो यहाँ का जो पोल्यूशन है वो हर साल की तरह इस साल भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, लगातार एक धुंध की चादर में दिल्ली एनसीआर लिपटी हुई है। तो आपको कुछ हेल्थ रिलेटेड समस्याएं होती हैं या क्या कुछ देखने को मिलता है इस मौसम में?
हाँ बिल्कुल, गले में खराश तो रहती है,
और फिर मतलब कि पॉल्यूशन की वजह से बाहर निकलना भी कम ही होता है, जो क्या है कि दिक्कत दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है। यहाँ पे दिल्ली में पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा पीक पे पहुँच चुका है और दिवाली के टाइम पे तो बहुत पीक पे था, अब थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हुआ है। यहाँ पे देखी जाए तो ग्रामीण स्तर की हमारे वहाँ पे देखा जाए तो बहुत कम पॉल्यूशन रहता है। पॉल्यूशन तो मतलब ना के बराबर है और कोई हेल्थ इश्यूज़ भी नहीं होते। यहाँ पे हेल्थ इश्यूज़ दिन ब दिन इंक्रीज़ होते जा रहे हैं, साल दर साल इंक्रीज़ होता जा रहा है पॉल्यूशन के इंडेक्स।
Right. So, Pia, these are the people, you know, who have talked to us, and they are saying that they are facing problems in breathing, and as well there are health related issues that occur due to the air pollution that is increasing in Delhi NCR day by day. And right now the situation is very hazardous and very alarming, because like every year, this year's situation is also not very good, and people from far away places come to the national capital in terms of, you know, for work purposes, for study purposes, and they are facing a lot of problems right now in Delhi NCR regarding the air pollution, because the situation is you know, deteriorating very fastly, and the AQI has been observed between 350 to 400 levels, which comes under very poor quality. Some steps are being taken care of by the Delhi government. You know, the water sprays is being done, GRAB 2 has been issued, but still on ground the reality is very different, because the people living in Delhi are facing a lot of problems, and they are right now forced to live in a gas chamber, and to have you know, forced to breathe such kind of air in the Delhi NCR right now. We'll try to talk to some other people also, and you know, have an understanding that what all problems they are having right now, because you know, Mukherjee Nagar is also very famous for the students, because from, you know, far away places students come here for their studies, for UPSC preparations right now. So yes, there is a problem right now, and the students from here are also facing a lot of breathing problems as of now. Yes, Pia.
Indeed, speaking about the Delhi NCR region, let's also hop across to my colleague Arzu Seth, who's live with us from the IGI airport. Arzu, it seems to be pretty windy where you are, but I can see the smog that is shrouded behind you. Some of the cars are of course visible through the smoke that is still blanketed behind you. Take our viewers through what's happening.
Well, Priya, it's another hazy day, and would like to show you the visuals from the IGI airport, and these are the visuals. You can see the haziness in the environment. You can see the thick layer of smog that has engulfed the entire national capital. In fact, the tower standing tall is even not visible. The visibility has become very less, and from the past few days, the visibility at the IGI airport is being recorded around 1200 meters to 1800 meters, and also yesterday the Supreme Court has said that, you know, no religion support any activity that promotes pollution or compromises with the health of people, and also the Supreme Court asked the Delhi government to decide on perpetual crackers ban, and saying that no religion promotes it, and it is not important to implement the ban only for the some period, but they should also think about extending it to the to increase the number of days. And so this is because of the condition that is right now prevailing in the national capital, where the people in fact are forced to breathe such a toxic air, because continuously we are seeing that the AQI is being recorded in the very poor category. Today also, if we talk about today's also Delhi's AQI is 355, which comes under the very poor category. This is the overall AQI, and also if we talk about other places also, it's near 400, which is very hazardous and very concerning, alarming for the Delhi people. And also if we talk about Delhi government, today Environment Department is going to distribute the electric heaters to the security guards at the Delhi Secretariat, and this comes under the winter action plan of the Delhi government. Also the Environment Minister has asked the companies, the other departments also to distribute the heaters to the to the security guards, to the night duty people, so that they should not burn in the open area, because earlier they have brought a campaign called anti-open burning campaign, in which open burning will not be allowed, and team has been deployed to look after that. Following that, today the electric heaters will be given to them, so that there should be a less open burning, which could lead to the massive pollution in the national capital ahead of the winter coming. Yes.
Indeed, and let's also hop across to my colleague Gohit Kaushik, who is reporting to us live from Gurugram. Remember, it's not just Delhi that is adversely affected, but regions in the in and around the national capital as well, whether it is Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Noida or Gurugram. Gohit, what's the scene like? It seems to be a little more clear where you are this morning on the expressway, if I am not wrong. So, what's it like? What do the residents of Gurugram feel? What was the peak AQI that has been reported this morning?
जी, गुरुग्राम की अगर बात करें तो गुरुग्राम में जो AQI लेवल है वो लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है। इस वक्त गुरुग्राम में AQI लेवल 350 के पार दर्ज किया गया है। आपको तस्वीर दिखा देते हैं। इस वक्त हम गुरुग्राम के MG रोड पर मौजूद हैं और आप तस्वीर देखेंगे तो आपको चारों तरफ धुएं की, पॉल्यूशन की एक चादर दिखाई देगी। इससे साफ नजर आता है कि पूरे जो प्रदूषण ने, पॉल्यूशन ने पूरे गुरुग्राम को अपने आगोश में लिया हुआ है। और साफ तस्वीरें आपको दिखा रहे हैं गुरुग्राम के MG रोड से लाइव। आप देखिए कुछ इमारतें यहाँ पर हमारे सामने नजर आ रही हैं। उन पर अगर आप नजर डालेंगे तो वो धुएं के पीछे, इस पॉल्यूशन के पीछे छुपती हुई नजर आ रही है। तो ये साफ दर्शा रहा है कि गुरुग्राम में जो AQI लेवल है वो लगातार बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। अभी 350 AQI लेवल जो है वो दर्ज किया गया है। और अगर आने वाले समय की बात करें तो गुरुग्राम में जिस तरीके से जो ट्रैफिक के हालात हैं और जिस तरीके से गुरुग्राम में पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब गुरुग्राम में ग्रेड 3 और ग्रेड 4 भी लागू कर दिया जाएगा। हालांकि दिल्ली से सटा हुआ ये शहर है और बढ़ता हुआ ये शहर है, तो यहाँ कई चीजें ऐसी हैं जो मुख्य कारण मानी जाती हैं इस शहर के प्रदूषण के बढ़ने का। चाहे उनमें कंस्ट्रक्शन की बात करें, चाहे बात करें सड़कों की, चाहे बात करें गुरुग्राम में चलने वाले इन व्हीकल्स की। तो ग्रेड 2 के जो रेगुलेशंस हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग इन कई चीजों पर जो है वो रोक लगाई गई है। लोगों से कारपूल करने की जो है अपील की जा रही है। ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो पार्किंग के शुल्क है उनको बढ़ा दिया गया है। आप तस्वीरें देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से जो इमारतें हैं उन्होंने जो इमारतें हैं पूरी तरीके से धुएं आपको दिखाई देगा, प्रदूषण चारों तरफ दिखाई देगा। इमारतें हैं वो पूरी तरीके से इस प्रदूषण से ढकी हुई है और लगातार हर जगह कंस्ट्रक्शन अभी गुड़गांव में चल रही है। जो गुरुग्राम का प्रशासन है वो कहीं ना कहीं फेल होता हुआ इस प्रदूषण को रोकने में नजर आ रहा है। और सब चीजें आपके सामने है कि किस तरीके से जो गुरुग्राम है उसके हालात है वो बद से बदतर होते नजर आ रहे हैं। और सबसे हैरानी वाली बात यह है कि गुरुग्राम में जो लोग हैं उनको काफी प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। हॉस्पिटल में जो लोग हैं वो बढ़ते जा रही है, मरीजों की संख्या लगातार हॉस्पिटल पर बढ़ती जा रही है और रोजाना 70 से 80 जो मरीज हैं वो हॉस्पिटल पहुंचते हैं। किसी को सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, तो किसी को बात करें तो किसी को आंखों में जलन हो रही है और हर तरीके से अभी लोग इस प्रदूषण से परेशान हैं। अब देखना ये होगा सरकार और प्रशासन इस पे क्या करती है और कैसे इस प्रदूषण की रोकथाम के लिए काम किया जाता है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.